In this example, we're going to look at how to calculate the surface area and volume of a cone. So notice I have the two formulas stated above. Volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. Cool part about this is exactly the same in many ways as the volume of a pyramid. Noticing that this right here is the base. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So this is the same thing. Difference being that in this shape, our base is a circle, and so we can use the formula for the area of a circle. For surface area, again, pi r squared is the base, just like in the surface area of a pyramid. And then in a pyramid, it's 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height, which is exactly the same as what we have here, because the perimeter of the base is circumference, and 1/2 of that would give us pi RL. So pretty cool, the connections between those two. Now, in order to make these calculations, we are going to need the radius, which we are given, the slant height, which we are given, and the perpendicular height, which we do not yet have. So I'll start this problem by calculating the surface area, since I have everything I need. Surface area is pi times the radius squared plus pi times the radius times the slant height. Now, I'm going to leave my answer in terms of pi, so I'll just simplify what I have here. Right here, 5 squared is 25, so that'll be 25 pi plus 5 times 13 will give me 65, so 65 pi, and adding those two together will give me 90 pi units squared for my surface area. Now, to calculate the volume of the cone, I need to find the perpendicular height. That's missing for me. So I'm going to draw that in, and when I do that, I notice that I have a right triangle. And more than just any right triangle, I have a Pythagorean triple. Okay, this height right here can be found by doing 5 squared plus h squared equals 13 squared, or it can be found, if you remember those Pythagorean triples, knowing that that would be 12. So now that I have that information, I can do 1/3 pi times the radius squared, which is still 5, times the height, which is 12. Now, like before, I'm going to simplify this and leave it in terms of pi. So 1/3 times pi times 25 times 12. 1/3 of 12 is 4, times 25 is 100, so I have 100 pi units cubed for my volume.